Hello, I'm Lee Bernstein from LoyaltyDog, and I'd like to welcome you to this tutorial series. So in today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at customizing your loyalty pass and setting up your location so that you send a message or a message is automatically sent to your customer and it goes on their smartphone when they're near your location. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Programs tab over here, click on that, and we open up this screen. On this screen, we have two parts, a configure part, which we're going to look at a different video, and we have the customize part, which we're going to have a look at today. And as I explained, the customize area is all about setting up the loyalty pass to look and feel the way you want it for your brand. So we'll click on customize and go in here. So on the screen, there are a number of items. On the right-hand side here are the color pickers, and in here we choose all the colors for the background, foreground, and label. Logo and strip, these areas control the logo that goes on the screen over here and the strip that you can see here, the picture with a cup of coffee, and you can create your own pictures in Canva or use any other image that you wish to use. We're going to flash up on the screen shortly the sizes for the logo image and for the strip image. You'll see those and you'll be able to make sure that when you create your imagery, you'll be able to make sure it's the right sizing for the area. Okay, let's move on. Let's show you how to change the logo and how to change the strip. Here we go into the logo area. Click on logo, and that should open up a file on your computer, and you can then choose the relevant image that you want to use. Here I'm choosing this one. I'm changing it with that one, or I can delete it first and then go and choose it. In this case, I'm going to choose this one, which I've decided is the one that I want for my strip. Now, this is the loyalty pass that will be downloaded to your customer's smartphone and sit on their smartphone. So think carefully about what imagery you want to have on there. And then we've got the color pickers over here that we looked at previously, where you can come along and change all the colors. For example, we can go into here and look at the background color and change that to that nice red or brown or whatever color you can see as I'm moving it along. Of course, you can always, if you know the actual numbers of your colors, the RGB numbers or the hex numbers, you can come along and type them directly in to this area. Foreground color changes the name of the customer here when we download it into this pass. It'll have his name here or her name and some instructions and how many points they have. And then finally, the label color is what's left, and I'll make it something that sticks out so we can see exactly what it is. And that's what those colors are here. So you've got these color pickers here. There's tools to choose for the colors, and you've got the logo and the strip to customize the actual look and feel of the loyalty pass itself. And then finally, as I said, we're going to talk about the location. We'll go up here to this tab called Location, pop into here, and let's say what you will do here is you'll type in the area or the address that you have. I'm going to choose the Rialto bar in Gstaad, Switzerland, only because we're all popping in there, aren't we? Click that, and then it will put a pin on the map, which will be the location of that particular restaurant, coffee shop, bar, or whatever your business is, vape store. And we can come along in here and type in, pop in. Oops, sorry. It helps if I can type, pop in to say hello. Or of course you might say, come in for your coffee or his special offer on, and so on. We'll save that text. And then whenever your customer who has a loyalty pass stored and added to their wallet on their phone, goes past your location, 70 to 300 meters around your location, that message will pop up on their phone to let them know that you're there. And then, of course, you've got the beacons and the apps. I'll just click into here very quickly, and the apps over here, we'll talk about those in a separate video later on. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you go ahead and customize your card so that it sits down really nicely onto your customer's wallet. Thanks. See you soon.